Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset, or actually force restart operation, will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So you can try to do it just by pressing the power button and volume down button together and wait until you see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So this is the combination of keys which is usually used for the screenshot. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons and keep pressing approximately 10 seconds. Of course we did it at screenshot, but that's okay. So keep pressing. And we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. I felt the vibration, so we can release the fingers. Here we've got the developer's logo, which means that our device will be turned on in a second and it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.